Is your engineering team struggling to deliver efficient solutions? Is your manufacturing following a lean process? Are you finding it difficult to find the accurate product information? Are consistent application glitches, wrong product data, wasted time and excessive cost all too common? ELOI Consulting can minimize your business inefficiencies and optimize your resources. We make sure your engineering and manufacturing process are fine-tuned for optimal output and business growth. We can help you to regain your product-related intellectual property from distributed engineering and manufacturing partners. Our highly capable team will help you to concentrate on your business activities by elevating your product data problems. We can help you to improve your product efficiency and minimize your operating cost by 80%. Our PLM CAD consulting services have been specifically designed for enabling you to optimize returns on your investments. Our IoT and analytics competencies empower clients to embed new IoT capabilities into their product for creating most dynamic, immersive, and tailor-made reports which can be used in product improvements and customer experience. Our other services include DW and BI services, bespoke custom IT solutions, and marketing support for your products. We are dedicated to gain our clients' trust by providing quality services competitively with responsibility, sustainability, integrity, and accountability. For more details, contact us, ELOI Consulting.